Hello and welcome back to the Daily Eco, where we'll be discussing the medicinal properties of spearmint, its benefits, how to take it, and its contraindications. Properties of spearmint. Let's start by exploring the properties of spearmint. The plant contains an essential oil with active chemical constituents such as menthone, phelladrine, limony, and menthol, which is the main active ingredient responsible for most of its properties. These properties include antispasmodic, carminative, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, stimulant, diuretic, among many others. Benefits of spearmint. The benefits of spearmint consumption are numerous, thanks to its many properties, including those that we have already discussed. For starters, it can aid in digestion and reduce flatulence, stimulate bile production, and alleviate colds and constipation. It's also effective in reducing dizziness and various types of pain, such as headaches and menstrual cramps. Moreover, spearmint has been found to be helpful in treating irritable bowel syndrome and liver inflammation. Its calming effect can alleviate nervous tension, anxiety, and hysteria, and it's currently being studied for its potential in treating hirsutism in women. Although there is no concrete scientific evidence, some people use spearmint for memory loss, arthritis, nausea, and vomiting. Furthermore, spearmint has an antifungal effect against Candida albicans and an antibacterial effect against Staphylococcus aureus. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. When does spearmint bloom? Spring, summer, autumn? Think about it carefully, because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to take spearmint. Spearmint is a versatile plant that can be used in various ways, such as orally, topically, or by inhalation. The most common way to use it is by infusing its leaves, which can be consumed as a tea or mixed with olive oil to create an ointment that relieves pain, improves circulation, or soothes cramps. For colds or flu, inhaling spearmint can help alleviate symptoms. Moreover, the essential oil of spearmint is useful for making toothpaste or mouthwash due to its refreshing scent. Finally, it can also be used in perfumes or air fresheners. Contraindications and side effects. It's essential to consult with a medical professional before using any plant, as it may cause contraindications or side effects. Spearmint is not recommended for people with liver or kidney disease, gallstones, or pregnant or lactating women. Consuming spearmint may lead to several side effects, such as irritation of the gastrointestinal and urinary tract, obstruction of the bile ducts, nausea, vomiting, inflammation of the gallbladder, severe liver damage, allergic reactions, and skin irritation. Going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B. Spearmint blooms in the summer. So, let us know in the comments if you plan to start taking spearmint to benefit from its properties. And until next time!